Hello, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do some nifty Windows things. Let's go! Have you ever wanted to change the background of your desktop? Let's pick it out. So first and foremost, find the image that you want to put as your background, and then we want to go and right click and go down to personalize. It might be confused with display settings. It's an honest mistake, but go to personalize, and this will bring you actually to the background screen right there. And then what you want to do is go down and you want to go to browse, and then you hit browse, and wherever you have your file saved, you will go in there and look for it. So basically you can have it fill the screen, fit, stretch, a tile, center it, or span it across. Give it all, try it out. And then below you will have the choice to choose certain background colors. I prefer black, and you can also customize your own color. Hey, thanks for viewing the video. Why don't you click the icon right there for some more videos, and if you have any ideas for a tutorial or anything like that, comment below. Thanks.